Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bank of America Debit Fast Fix step by step clearly. To activate your Bank of America debit card, begin by locating your card. Ensure that you have your card ready along with your personal identification. Visit the Bank of America website on your computer or mobile device. Look for the login button and click on it to enter your online banking account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the option for Card Activation. Follow the prompts to enter your debit card information. Input the 16-digit card number found on the front of the card. You may also be asked to provide the expiration date and security code. Next, enter your personal information for verification. This could include your social security number or your account number. After entering the required information, click on Continue to proceed. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to write down or save any reference number provided. Now your debit card is ready to use for transactions. For added security, consider setting up a PIN if you haven't done so. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, contact Bank of America customer service for assistance. Your new Bank of America debit card is now activated and ready for your use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.